Thank you for buying your Berk-Tel mobile cellular signal booster. The following short video will show you simple installation hints and techniques to ensure you get the best performance from your new Berk-Tel device. Stay connected in more places with the industry's best mobile cellular booster. Berk-Tel. Before starting the simple installation, please make sure you have all of the parts you'll need to install your new Berk-Tel vehicle signal booster: the amplifier, the inside antenna, the outside antenna, and the power cord. Once you have all of the equipment, you are ready to begin your installation. But before you start, please watch this entire short video from start to finish. For best results, review the installation instructions that were included with your booster and complete a temporary test installation. Step 1. Review the outside of your vehicle to determine the best placement for the antenna. For peak performance, you should mount the antenna at least 12 inches away from other antennas and glass. So keep it at least a foot away from the sunroof and vehicle windows. Once you have the perfect spot chosen, place the outside antenna vertically on top of the vehicle using the strong built-in magnet to hold it in place. Next, guide the cable toward the inside of the vehicle through an open door or trunk. Step 2. Carefully pull down on the door seal or the trunk seal to hide the cable within the rubber and transition the cable inside the vehicle to the amplifier. Step 3. Position the inside antenna near the driver's seat. You can find a good location on the dashboard or near the center console close to the driver. Again, you should mount the antenna in an open area at least 12 inches away from glass. The inside antenna should be facing the driver and passengers as much as possible. Finally, use the adhesive tape to hold the antenna in place. Step 4. Connect the cables to the correct ports on the booster. Double-check to ensure that you have connected the outside antenna to the outside port and you have connected the inside antenna to the inside port. Screw in the cables by hand. No tools are needed. Be cautious not to over-tighten the cables. Finally, plug in the power cord and you're ready to go. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the Berk-Tel Mobile Product Manual and Installation Guide that came with your cellular signal booster. Thanks again for purchasing Berk-Tel products.